finally today. Social loafing. What the heck is that?
Yeah, no, it's just hanging out doing nothing. it's everything it sounds like. It's just not doing a heck of a lot. Now, this is an interesting story that popped up in The Guardian, and this was all to do with people working side by side with robots.
Yeah.
As a report came out from the Technological University of Berlin. Right. And what they found was that, okay, there's the brave new world of robots will free us up to do higher order tasks. Brilliant. Very happy with that. However, what they were finding was that people were being freed up by robots to do whatever they wanted.
So it's not like a case of I'm going to go to the gym more, I'm going to go walking more, I'll spend more time cooking a healthy meal at home, or I'll be able to spend time on research and development, or educating myself, or improving my career, or spending more time with my kids. No, it's just smoking around the back of the building with your co-workers. Is that it?
A bit of that. Also,
a bit of that.
I'm expected to do X things per day. I've got a robot beside me. Once X is hit,
I'm done.
I am checking out.
I love it. Well, listen, that's enough social loafing for today between you and I, Niall. Thanks for keeping us up to date with the news.